All right, this is lesson 4, and we're going to practice creating a layer mask with a selection. In previous exercises, we were using a brush tool to create our mask, but this time we're going to practice making masks with selection. So it's another really fun way to make masks quick and easy. So go ahead and open up two images I've provided to you. One is called clouds.jpg, and the other is called La Jolla Church.jpg. What we're going to do is we're going to do a window arrange, two up vertical, and using our move tool, we're going to grab the cloud image and drag it into our church image. Once we've done that, go ahead and let's close out the cloud image. We don't need it open anymore. So you should have two layers in your layers panel. You should have layer 1, that's a cloud with rainbow. I'm going to go ahead and name that clouds so we know what we're talking about. And you should have a church as your background. I'm going to hide the visibility icon on my cloud image, and I'm going to select the background layer in my layers panel. And using a selection tool of your choice, I suggest maybe the magic wand tool for starters. We're going to select the blue sky of this image. Take note of my magic wand preferences. I have a sample size, I have point sample selected, I have tolerance 50, and I have this checkbox called contiguous selected, which will help you. Go ahead and click on the blue sky in this church image and go ahead and zoom in, holding down your shift key, which will create a little plus add icon to your magic wand tool, and go ahead and add the blue sky that is around the bell in the church to your selection. So with the marching ants selected, go ahead and activate the visibility icon of your cloud image and activate the cloud layer in your layer panel so that it's now the layer that's selected. And essentially what we're doing here is we're going to be creating a mask on this cloud layer. And the way that you really simply and quickly do this is there's this lovely little icon in the bottom of your layers panel called Add Layer Mask. It's a rectangle with a circle in the middle, which very much resembles a mask thumbnail, which is what we're going to be adding to our cloud layer. So click on that icon and it's like magic. With your selection, you have just added a layer mask that is revealing part of the sky around the selection that you made of the church. So by selecting a part of an image that you want to reveal, you can quickly add a layer mask. So selection's a really helpful, quick way to add masks and still keep the image intact, so it's non-destructive. Go ahead and remember, again, we practiced this earlier, you can open up your properties panel under window properties, and with your layer mask selected, you can change the density of your mask if you want to have kind of an effect this way, and you can also feather if you want to add some feathering. So just a quick way to alter your mask, or you can go ahead and bring it back to normal. So there's a selection and mask using a selection tool.